Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off 5G on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The first thing to do is open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, tap Connections. On the Connections page, tap on Mobile Networks. Tap on Network Mode. You now have the option to switch down to 4G and lower, 3G and 2G, 3G only or 2G only. Choose your preference. If you have a second SIM, then you can change your preference for that too. Note that you can only have 5G enabled on one SIM at a time. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.